Aging is a natural process in this nature. But here nature becomes wiser as it gets older. If we can use such natural ingredients properly, then we can be really benefited. Since dryness is one of the important causes of aging, so keeping in mind the moisturizer, today we will make this DIY wrinkle cream in a slightly different way. And we will tell you to use this cream at night as your daily face moisturizer. We all know how beneficial coconut oil is for our skin, for our hair. Even it is also used for cooking. If it is used for the skin, then the vitamin C in coconut helps maintain elasticity and flexibility of skin, which reduces wrinkles and sagging skin gradually. We all know how beneficial coconut oil is for our skin, for our hair. Even it is also used for cooking. If it is used for the skin, then the vitamin C in coconut helps maintain elasticity and flexibility of skin, which reduces wrinkles and sagging skin gradually. We are going to use coconut milk in today's home remedies as it contains healthy fat and vitamin E, which moisturizes and nourishes the dry skin the best and make it appear healthy, glowing and younger looking. Eating soaked almonds in the morning is not only healthy. We all know almond oil also very beneficial for our skin. So to make this homemade anti-aging cream, we are not going to use almond oil but using these whole raw almond in a slightly different way. After soaking overnight, we will peel these almonds first. We all know almonds for its high source of vitamin E. It is high in antioxidants. This neutralizes free radicals. As a result, it removes fine lines and wrinkles. We all know dry skin tends to look more wrinkled than well-moisturized skin. So it is important for us to pay attention to the moisturizer well. We are not very attracted to any chemical beauty products available in market. So we always want this homemade face moisturizer to be purely natural and organic. Now you can see that we have peeled a small bowl of almonds. Let us say one more thing. Apart from dryness, UV rays from sun exposure is also an important reason for excessive face wrinkles. And here vitamin E is going to work as skin healing agent for your dry, sagging skin. We want to make this DIY facial cream in such a way that tightens loose skin and restores your healthy, younger looking skin naturally at home. Now we want to make this paste a little creamy and to store it for a long time. We are going to use double heat method as shown earlier. You can also see that a little bit of oil is coming out of this paste, which is pure almond oil. Here you can see that we always give more importance to natural ingredients to make this homemade facial cream. So this time we will collect the next ingredient from our garden. Surely there is not much to say about aloe vera gel. And another thing, when we use this remedy ourselves, it really gave us very good results in 2 weeks. So, we are sharing this with you. Now scoop out this purely organic natural aloe vera gel from leaf to make this homemade anti-wrinkle cream. It contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and C. The best part of this ancient herb is soothing and moisturizing effect. If it is not available, then you can buy an organic gel from market. Be sure that is 100% organic and natural without any chemicals. Just mix 1 teaspoon of this gel with the remedy. When we are making a homemade face cream remedy for wrinkles or any anti-aging home remedies, raw organic bees honey should always be welcomed. When we give priority to moisturization, we should not forget about honey. If you are vegetarian, you can skip this ingredient or mix 1 teaspoon with this homemade face moisturizer remedy for your aging skin. You can store it in refrigerator for 1 week and use as your everyday night cream.